Hello, friends, and welcome. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala, author of the bestseller How to Profit from Technical Analysis, a book which was published in the year 2008 by Vision Books, New Delhi. And the second edition we came out in 2016 after almost 10 reprints of the book. And even as of today, this book is quite popular among the beginners. In fact, friends, this is the first book by an Indian author as a beginner's guide, and it was published almost 12 years back, and it is still very popular. So, welcome, friends, and yes. Those of you who are new to this my YouTube channel, I would request you to please subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of whenever I upload a video. In fact, I upload many videos for your benefit, stock analysis, index analysis, and those of you who are trading on a regular or a regular basis, daily basis, intraday. I give every day in the morning at 10 o'clock. I give the intraday price targets for the day for the index and also stocks. So welcome, friends, and today we have chosen the BSE Oil and Gas Index. So let us do a detailed technical evaluation of how the BSE Oil and Gas Index looks like and what are the stocks which we can check in this particular sector. So yes, what you're seeing on the screen right now is the BSE oil index. This is the daily chart. And as you can observe from a level of around 16,500, this index, BSE oil and gas index, has been in a downtrend. It tested a low of around 8,700 here in March after the COVID crisis. And after that, it has in fact jumped quite well nearer to the 13,800 level, from where it has given some correction near to 11,700 level. In fact, this jump from 8,700 to the 13,000 plus level was helped by the rally or rise in the Reliance Industries stock, which is a part of this particular index. So let us try to understand what is the technical structure as of today and what is in store, what we can expect, anticipate in the future. So let me draw a trend line. I'm drawing this trend line, friends. Those of you who are new to price analysis, I always request all my participants that you must first identify the trend and then draw the relevant trend line. So in this case, it is a downtrend. So we are drawing a downtrend line. There's a resistance line by joining the lower highs. So as you can see, I have joined the lower highs right from the peak, that is the 16,500 levels. From there, I have joined the various lower highs, and this is called a major trend line, a major resistance line. But as you can observe that some of the previous highs, the lower highs are not being joined by this particular line. So let me draw one more trend line, which is, this is the trend line, the red line which you are observing. It is called a minor trend line, and it suggests a minor resistance. So currently we are very much nearer to this minor trend line. Now before I go ahead and try to evaluate the possible structure, let me give you one specific idea here about the price movement. From the 8,700 levels, the price has risen recently to 13,700. From there, there was a correction nearer to the 11,700 level. Now this correction was 38.2% retracement level. It is a Fibonacci retracement level here. And from there it has, in fact, last few days it has jumped quite attractively, and right now we are at 12,900 levels. The trend line level which is giving it a minor resistance here is at 13,100, and once it is able to break this level of 13,100, then we will target two levels. The first level would be the base trend line, that is the resistance line which we had drawn nearer to 15,000, and subsequently we can target 17,000 in a subsequent movement. Uh, as I said, right now from 13,100 there can be a good breakout, and the target could be 15,000 plus levels. So we are talking about the BSE oil and gas index moving up by approximately 15% initially, and thereafter another 2,000 points. So this is the broad structure of the BSE oil and gas index. The indicators of this price charts are also suggesting that the momentum is building up on this index, that is this sector. So oil and gas companies should in the future they should perform well. So let us go to the stocks which are there in this the BSE oil and gas index. So let us try to know, okay, what are these stocks. So before that, friends, let me give you one very interesting announcement. Every Sunday at 10:30 to 12:30 in the morning, I conduct what is called the Sunday Mega Stock Analysis session, where I analyze not only the index, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and but also five stocks I analyze, which I keep tracking. And apart from that, if there is time, if we have the time, then we take stocks from the participants also. They can also suggest analysis, and we are doing all of this is done live analysis, and it is done on a regular basis every Sunday 10:30 to 12:30 in the morning. So if you are interested, please write to me. Just say interested in Sunday mega session. You can write me at carajivkhatlawala@gmail.com. The email address is given to you here, so you can note that down and send me an email. I will send you the details of the Sunday mega session. Please note, friends, that this is a paid session. So if you are interested, definitely you will enjoy these sessions every Sunday. Right, friends. So now let us go to the BSE oil and gas index constituents. What are the stocks? So there are various stocks which you can track for this sector, and that is BPCL, Castrol India, GAIL, GSPL, that is Gujarat State Petronet, Hindustan Petroleum, Indraprastha Gas, IOC, ONGC, Petronet, LNG, and of course Reliance. In fact, let me give you one very interesting idea here. Recently, in one of my Sunday sessions, I had analyzed Hindustan Petroleum, that is HPCL, when the price was at around 184 or 185 levels, and we had done a detailed technical analysis of this stock, and it was suggested for buying with a comfortable target of 25% rise. We are almost from 185 levels. A few days back, we are almost at the 215 rupees level right now. So I think based on the movement, the technical structure of the BSE oil and gas index, it seems that these stocks which you are seeing on the screen should perform well in the future. Of course, Reliance has moved up quite a bit. So there may be some sideway movement or correction in case of Reliance, but the other stocks are having steam, so you can track them. And yes, I will be taking many of these stocks in my Sunday sessions also for detailed evaluation purposes. So friends, thank you very much. See you in the Sunday mega stock analysis session. And this is CA Rajiv Khatlawala signing off. My email address is given here, carajivkhatlawala@gmail.com. If you are interested, please do email me. Thank you very much and have a very good Diwali and a happy new year to all of you. Thank you very much.